Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the target. Open Xcode, select the app, and attach a device or simulator so instruments can sample real behavior. Once ready, choose Product Profile or press Command-I to launch instruments immediately. This skips extra steps and opens the trace view. Then pick the correct template, Time Profiler for CPU hotspots or allocations for memory, and press Record. You'll begin collecting data right away, which lets you see how the app behaves under realistic conditions. Now focus the capture. During recording, watch the timeline and add or remove instruments to capture only the metrics you need. This reduces noise and file size. Once done, filter the process and set a focus region to analyze a specific interaction. Make sure to symbolicate stacks so function names replace hex addresses. Then drill into the call tree, invert or hide system frames, and use compare runs to isolate regressions or improvements between sessions for targeted optimization. Finish by interpreting findings. Identify CPU hotspots, frequent allocations, and retain cycles so you can prioritize fixes by impact. Export the trace or snapshot, annotate key timestamps, and apply code changes iteratively. Once a fix is implemented, rerun the exact scenario to confirm improvement. If you see unreadable frames, make sure DSYM files are generated and included. Check build settings and symbolication paths. Troubleshooting tip: if symbols are missing, ensure the app was built with debug info and the correct DSYM is loaded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.